Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change indicator light on your Ford Transit van. Now, today we have a 2017 Ford Transit 350 12-passenger van. We just recently changed the oil in this van. If you want to go check this video out, I'll drop a card here and drop a link down in the description below. So we've already taken care of the oil change on this van. So now we need to reset the oil change indicator light. Let's dive in.
Now let's reset the oil change light in our Ford Transit van. Step number 1, take your key and put it in the on position. Don't start the vehicle, just put the key in the on position. Step number 2, press down on the brake and accelerator pedal with both feet at the same time. You should see a oil reset in progress message appear on your dash. You're going to hold this for about 25 seconds. After 25 seconds, the message should change to oil reset complete. At this point, you can remove your feet from both the brake and accelerator pedal. Now you can take your key, turn it to the off position, and you have just reset your oil change light on your Ford Transit van. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.